I have a 2017 Sylvan 822 Mirage Pontoon. It's wave blue. Has a 60 horse Mercury command thrust. It is going to go in for a bottom wash. Lots of seating. You have dual captain's chairs, 4 bench seats with loungers. You can look out the back, put your feet up. Nice helm. Is rated for 9 passengers. Stereo. Changing room. Got the back entrance, the side entrance, and a front entrance. 2 more loungers up here, recessed cup holders. You also have cup holders up on top. It's a lot of cup holders. Seaweed flooring. Your table goes there. Cup holder over here for the passenger. Very nice boat. Give us a call at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois, or stop by to check it out.